Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are fine and having good time at your home. Students, today our moral lesson is honesty is the best policy, which means that being honest is always good and fruitful. So to be honest about things is better than elaborating lies. So be honest to everyone. Student, today we are doing chapter number 11, circuits and electric current. As you know students, electric charges are of two types, positive and negative charges. Like charges, students repel each other, and unlike charges attract each other. Okay students? Now students, today we discuss our main article, that is electric current. An electric circuit is a loop of electric wire connected with components such as battery and load, say a light bulb or a small motor. So electric circuits have connected with electric wires with their parts, like in this big diagram you can see the parts or components of electric current, that is battery, bulb and electric wires. So students, what is battery? The battery provides the electrical energy which is converted into light or motion. Electrical energy is carried by electric charges that flow through the wires. Here electric charges are positive and negative charges that flow through the wires. So what is current? This movement of charges is called current. The electrical charges that move in these wires are called current. The flow of electric charges around the circuit is called electric current. Okay, what are electric current? The flow of electric charges around the circuit is called electric current. Current is symbolized by capital I and is measured in amperes, capital A. Current is different from electrical energy. As you know students, electrical energy is the ability of electrical sources like battery or cell to do work, while current is the flow of charges that carry electrical energy. Need to know students, electrons flow around the circuit, not the nuclei. What is conventional current? Students, we take the direction of flow of current from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of the battery. Current flowing in this direction is called conventional current. In this diagram students, you can see that current, this is positive terminal and this is negative terminal, and the and the flow of current from the positive to negative terminal. So the current flowing in this direction is called conventional current. Okay students, do you know flow of electron is from the negative to the positive terminal? This is called electronic current. Yes student, what is electronic current? That the flow of electron is from the negative to positive terminal is called electronic current. Okay students, now our next article is electric circuits. Okay, what is electric circuits? An electric circuit is a complete or a closed path, yes, through which charge can flow from the positive terminal to negative terminal to a source of electric energy. A battery or a cell, it usually consists of four main components. Okay students, in electric circuit you can see this diagram that this is a closed or complete path through which charges can flow from negative to positive terminal to negative terminal of electric energy. Here is shown you battery and bulb, battery and switch and this wire, and they are complete or closed path, showing closed path. Okay, the students, it usually consists of four main parts, that is a source of electric energy that drives the charges, battery or cell, Yes, here is showing you battery or cell, a load on which the charges do some useful job. For example, bulb and motor. Yes, students, this is showing you bulb that is attached to motor with electric wires. And the third one is electrical conductors to connect the components. Yes, we can use electrical conductor to connect the components like copper wires. Here is showing you, student, these are copper wires that connects to the components. And the fourth one is switch to open or close the circuit. Yes, this here is showing you switch that is on and off, which is used to open or close the circuit. When this is open, the bulb is not glow, and then when this switch is closed, the circuit is the bulb is glow. Okay, students, do you know a lemon can serve the purpose of a small battery? Pieces of zinc and copper are used as terminal. We can use pieces of zinc and copper as terminals. Okay, circuit diagram. To study the working of electrical circuit, we draw its diagram on paper. For that purpose, we have defined symbols for different electrical component. We can use different electrical component for symbols. The following figures give a circuit diagram and the symbol used for different electrical components. Okay, student, this is showing you switch, this is cell, battery, this is the symbol of lamp, the symbol of voltmeter. We represent ammeter as capital A, and this is showing you resistor, variable resistor, and motor. So this is a symbol of some circuit components, that this is symbol of battery, and this is showing you resistance, and these are the words. So we can use all these symbols in the circuit component. Voltage and resistance. Students, what is voltage? Work done by the battery on a single charge to move it once through the circuit is called voltage. Its symbol is V. We can represent voltage as V and is measured in volts. Electric current is the flow of charges in a circuit. Does this flow take place without any difficulty? The answer is no. As the charged particles move through a wires of an electrical circuit, they collide with the atoms of wires materials. Yes, the electric circuit, the atoms can collide of the wires materials. This produces an opposition to the flow of current, which is called resistance. Yes, it opposes the flow of electric current, which is called resistance. And the resistance produces heat. Okay, in this peak diagram, student, this is showing you voltage and this is showing you resistance, and this is these are the wires, and current is passes from this wire. Okay, what is resistance? The opposition offered to flow of current is called resistance. Here opposition means opposite direction. We can say that it can oppose the flow of current, that is called resistance. It is symbolized as capital R and is measured in ohms. Beside the resistance offered by the wire, we can also limit the flow of current according to our own requirement. This is achieved by using circuit components called resistors. We can use resistors. It is symbolized as capital R and is measured in ohms. What is the relationship between voltage and resistance? Voltage of a battery and resistance of a conductor through which electric charges flow is given by the formula mathematical Okay students, in this is showing you voltage, and R represent resistance and I represent current. So here V, I and R represent the voltage, the current and the resistance respectively. Usually the resistance remain fixed. Yes, resistance remain fixed. In this case, increasing the voltage, when we increase the voltage, increases the current. At that time, current is also increased. Hope students you can understand today lecture. Have a nice day. Thank you.